participants since this morning.
Yes, and sa mga nanalo kanina on our mini games, all the way to our tournaments, yan, kayo ay mananalo ng ating mga prizes na sponsored galing kay TT's.
TT's.
Yes.
Promoted merchant seller.
And of course, galing din kay Ube na prizes.
Yes, of course.
Yes, meron tayong prizes na t-shirt. And of course, a t-shirt. T-shirt, cookies, and underwear. So, ayan na, i-ready na natin ang mga certificates para sa kanila. Pero before that, guys, meron tayong isang request. Asan na si Memento Lens? Meron tayong video na gagawin as a Chinese New Year greeting. Lahat tayo punta dito sa harap. Find your place now. Oh, lahat po. Harap tayo dito. Nasaan na si Memento Lens? Ayun, okay lang na pa video.
Madam Angel.
Madam Angel, yes.
Our core founders.
Tapos, ayan, magbibideo. Lahat tayo guys, papaharap. And, sana yung mga ano natin, amazing people natin. Stay gold! And yung Manhattan Cafe na nandyan, trainer, all of you guys, please. Harap tayo, tapos gagawa lang tayo ng short greeting ng Happy Chinese New Year. Or Year of the Uma. Ano ba maganda? Ano ba sa appropriate?
Uma! Year of the Zumba.
Year of the Uma.
Year of the Zumba.
Happy New Year, Year of the Uma. Pwede lang, Year of the Uma. Happy Year of... Oh, okay, mas maganda yun. Happy Year of the Uma. Alright. Dito na lang... dito na lang ba tayo, guys? Or ayaw nyo dito sa harap? Doon na lang? Doon na lang tayo. Sige, since na kayo dyan. Tayo. Okay, Happy Year of the Uma. Yung nagsisigaw. Testing na natin. 1, 2, 3. Happy Year of the Uma! Guys, pwede mo po yung iba, dear.
Pwesto guys, pwesto!
Pwesto. Lahat ng mga nandyan sa likod, Miyomi, participating, harap na lang din. Mga idols na. Merchants, punta na kayong lahat dito.
Guys, abante tayo konti para kasya tayo dyan.
Abante na lang. Kita ba? Kita.
Yung iba, luhod ka, di ba? Punta lang
Luhod
yung
na
iba.
iba.
Luhod yung iba dyan, luhod na lang yung iba.
Buntot ko. Buntot. Okay, thank you.
Itaas yung banner na kung ako sa yan. Itaas mo yan. Para sa likod. Yan, okay na yan.
Okay.
Nasa likod
Year of the Uma.
dikit
Okay, lahat naman nandyan.
Dikit kayo.
Dikit pa.
Nasa gitna. Kayo, abante kayo konti. Ikaw, abante ka. Yan. Good job, abante.
Countdown na lang.
Kasa pa yan.
Kasa pa. Kasya pa pa. Pasabi na lang if all goods na. All goods na ba? Sa mga camera people natin. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy Year of the Uma! One more.
On three.
On my countdown. Countdown niya daw.
Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy Year of the Uma! Ura! 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 Alright, pwede na tayo bumalik sa pwesto and it's time for awarding. And after ng awarding natin, it's party! Alright, i-ready na natin ang certificates, i-ready na mga awards, and i-ready na mga sarili. Hopefully, all the staffs are here na. So, bibigyan muna natin ng sponsors bibigyan muna natin ng mga sponsors. So, I hope that you guys are still here. Yan. Hanapin lang natin. And right after, you're awarding. Ito muna yung staff na available for now kasi kailangan ng assistance doon sa likod likuran.
Mamaya guys, party tayo. Dance
Yes!
off.
Safe na safe tayo dito kasi meron tayong Ura soldier, oh. Safe yan,
Walang cosplay sa tokan. Cosplay sipaan na lang.
Oh, cosplay sipaan. Guys, gusto niyo cosplay sipaan? Yeah!
Tagyakan ganun yung tagya. Ganun, kasi ganun yung iba mga kabayo na ganun dapat. Cosplay tagya.
Ibigay natin. Ibigay natin. Like, pick-up lines pa.
Okay. So, all of the staff, dito na, Sarah. Yes?
Lahat ng staff ng ano,
Yeah, lahat ng staff.
pwesto.
Sa picture na tayo, guys.
Boss, tama
Lahat ng
ka.
staff.
Boss, tama ka.
Staff muna, staff muna.
Compress kayo, compress kayo.
Rhino, where are you? Rhino. Halika na. Staff. Oo.
Compress kayo, compress.
Kung puso may staff po, lapit dito sa stage. Kung puso may staff.
Amazing PH. Shen, halika na. Si Shen. Halika na, boss. Sino? Shen, oo.
Amazing gang, where you at?
Shen!
Patalas natin.
Come here. Ayan, Rhino, halika na. Alright. Yeah, okay, isa picture na tayo dito.
Hindi nila nalaman.
Ganun lang.
Ulat kayo, no?
Oo.
Isa muna, kay ano tayo? Kay Miss.
Nauna yung kita, seryoso. Kaya kay Reno Suki.
Renazuki tayo. Renazuki. Ayun, yung matangkal. Yung green light. Okay. Isa pa.
Okay, go. Sige, go.
Okay, kawai. Si Carl, nandito si Carl. Yeah, okay, nice. Okay, so, pwede na bumalik sa pwesto yung ibang mga staff natin. But we need some staff in here. Oh, nagpa-fiber. We need some staff in here para sa ating mga awarding ng certificates for our sponsors. Okay. Kaya na, yeah. So, where is Sir Nix? Because we are proudly presenting you a certificate of appreciation for sponsoring the event. The Year of the UMA Cup Steve and Fan Event on 15th of February 2026 at MX Gaming Grounds and Recto, Manila. Signed by me, Kuya Ed, and signed by Angel Manan Sponsorship Head. Asa na si Sir Nick? Bigyan sa kanya later.
Guys, don't forget to visit MX Gaming Grounds. They got a lot of great arcade machines there.
Yes! Meron pa tayong karos na natitira, bilhin nyo na!
Biruin mo, may tuho na, may umupo sila pa.
Yes! Yan, si Boss Nick. Okay.
Ayan si Bossing Nick.
Okay, again. Boss.
Bossing!
Thank you very much. And the same certificate is given to Warehouse Coffee. Sir Nick, sa'yo na lang din namin ibigay. Sir Nick, sa'yo na lang din namin ibigay. Warehouse Coffee. Pero sige, okay lang. Pamigay
Masarap
na
ang
namin.
coffee nila.
Yeah.
For a really good price too. Guys, if you haven't had your coffee yet, I recommend talaga.
Sa mga
Warehouse Coffee.
best coffee siya. Sa mga uwi na, guys, antayin na lang po natin yung mga may awards dahil short na lang po ito. We're just handing out certificates.
Bago kayo umuwi, baka gusto niyo ng ube cookies. Meron doon.
Yes.
Magandang pasalubong yan.
Yep.
Huwag na kayo kumain sa labas. Dito na muna kayo kumain bago kayo lumalis. Hamburger steak, 150 lang. Dali, konti na lang. Fresh spring gravy.
Of course, certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Ube's Bakery and Eatery. Hey! Ayan pala si Sir Ube. And as well as to Zoe Prince. Bigyan na lang din natin kay Zoe. Alright, thank you so much. Okay na.
Thank you, Boss Ed.
Thank you so much. Ang hirap dapat hilapin ni Ube. Next up, sige, punta na tayo sa mga sponsors natin. Mga media partners natin. Okay, it's time to provide our certificate for our media partners. Renazuki Archive, pagsabay-sabay na natin.
Ayun o. Boss man.
Renazuki Archives.
Ayan. Thank you.
Memento Lens. Nandito pa ba si Memento Lens? Ayan, bibigyan na natin ng certificate sa inyo. Memento Lens.
Memento.
Where is Memento Lens?
Ito, Len. Punta mo dito kasi.
Nandito, okay lang na Memento Lens. Minsan ang bigayan na lang.
Memento.
Next certificate is given to Don Cordero Photography. Ayan, punta na po tayo sa harap. Sir Don. Sa mga media partners natin. The same certificate is also provided for Idol Rock Pro. Boss Nera, andito ka ba? Kung wala si Boss Nera, substitute na lang. Next is for Urban Farmers PH. Sir Chesko, punta na po tayo sa harap. Oo. Thank you so much. Guys, binigay ng carrots nila. Yes, yan. Urban Farmer PH. And lastly, asan si Miss Images? Miss Images. Okay, hindi ka na here. Yan. Gonna provide the certificate. Find your places na lang, ladies and gents. And isang titik na lang tayong lahat.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Isa pa.
Okay ka mga pibilang. Okay.
Thank you so much sa mga media partners natin. Yes, thank you as well.
Thank you so much for the carrots and all the vegetables. Bibili pa ako mamaya ulit.
Also, we are going to provide the certificate of appreciation for our guest here in the Year of the Uma Cup Sleeve event. We would like to call on Miyomi. Guys, you are also provided with a certificate. Miyomi Group. Once again, we are proudly presenting the certificate to Miyomi Idol Group.
Another round of applause for Miyomi, everyone. Wait, round of applause. Ano ba?
Tampak tayo guys. Clap your hands.
Yan.
Thank you, Noel.
Ay, pagano'n tayo. Compress pa. Yan.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2.
The same certificate is also provided for Shuri.
Shuri, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Let's give her another round of applause, please.
Konti na lang to guys and pupunta na sa awarding. Okay, thank you so much. And of course to our last idol, Sushi, you are also provided with certificate of appreciation for performing amazingly here in our Year of the Uma Cup Sleeve and Banner
Round of
Band.
applause, please, for Miss Sushi.
Mahirap pong kunin to kasi nag-i-international.
Next idol, maybe.
Okay, next. We are proudly presenting this certificate to KTKT for guesting in our event. Thank you so much, KTKT. That joke.
May sabi sa akin kanina. Pag
Dadyo,
tinakot mo
dadyo.
ba yung Pilipinas, mawawala yung Makati?
Pag tinahiba yung Pilipinas na mawawala na botas. Pag lahat ba ng Pilipino nagpa-dentist na mawawala yung Cavite? Thank you so much, KTKT. And the last for our appreciation is proudly presented to the only artist that we have here who presented their drawn art, Spindrift. Hindi po yan AI. Yan, Spindrift! Come over here, pare, and receive your certificate.
Yes, sir!
Alright, now it's time for our winners. Okay, time for prizes para sa mga winners natin. Now, for the champion, doon sa ating pop quiz, asan na si Agnes Tachyon? Ayan, nandito pa siya, ang iyong prize. Okay, so, sponsored by KTKT, thank you so much. Isang copy ng print mula kay Katie. You know, and of course, bukod nga dyan ay and then isang underwear mula sa akin. Yeah. And then meron kang ube cookies na mapapalarunan din for the pop quiz. Okay, tatlo na. Thank you so much and congratulations for winning our pop quiz. 1,200 with 1,300 na yan eh. It's over 1,000. Okay, congratulations. Thank you so much. Ay, magiging-picture daw siya guys. Guys, pwede pa photo? Yan, as a memorabilia.
Nanalo ka na. Brick with bone fracture.
Reveal.
Reveal! Ayan na!
In 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Goal Brief! What the hell?
Okay. Also, shoutout din sa artist na gumawa ng brief na yan.
Yes, ang gumawa pala ng art na yan is none other than the gold chip that guy.
The That Man.
Yes, that man. Yes, thank you so much. Congratulations. For the UMA, player versus player. Sino nanalo? Ang nanalo doon sa race natin, it's none other than Augury Cap! Grabe! Siyempre, meron kang isang print mula kay KTKT, underwear mula sa akin. Yes! Tote bag and of course, sticker. Plus, discount na discount voucher. Yan. Okay, picture na. Okay, stand proud. Si Augury Cap wala pa. Oh no, sayang. Pero sige, that can be provided for her later on na lang. Anyways, guys, thank you. That concludes our event. What can you say, Ube?
This was an amazing event. Did everyone have a great time tonight? Of course you did. Busog na lahat?
Yeah!
Bakit di ba busog? Meron pa hamburger steak doon.
Meron pang carrots doon.
Meron carrots rin doon. Please buy.
Hugasan niyo muna.
Pero this was, talaga, a passion project that we established. Talaga, it was just crazy idea that we had in cosplay Maxity now became a reality.
Yes.
It's weird because it hasn't sunk into me na nagawa rin namin.
In just a few months.
Yes.
1 month.
1 month lang.
1 month planning to. But, moving forward guys, expect na mas malakas ang ating magiging event.
This won't be the last.
This won't be the last, guys. Yes!
Pero we couldn't have done it without you guys.
Palapakan yung sarili nyo, team. Palapakan yung sarili nyo because this is not possible without all of you supporting this and this amazing game that, well, combined us together. Love for Forces.
Oy!
Okay. Love of Forces. Hey!